How to fix neck and shoulder pain. If you're suffering with either of those, frustrated with it being in your daily life, maybe you've sought treatment or you're not sure what to do, then this video is perfect for you. Hi, my name is Tommy. I'm the owner of the Pain and Performance Clinic based in Dublin. So, neck and shoulder pain, oftentimes a lot of people try several things to get it better. Most of that comes from a place where you think someone is going to fix it for you, and you get treatments like massage or cupping or needling, and sometimes there's a short-term change in symptoms there. But for a lot of people, the pain will come back and they're stuck with having to cope with their daily tasks, working, looking after the family or whatever it is, and they have that pain. It needs a slightly different approach, which is what I'm going to go through here. There's a couple of things we need to do. A lot of it involves movement and exercise, but the first thing that needs to happen is that you actually take the tension out of your neck and shoulders and you try and relax the muscles a little bit. Because of lots of different factors, even if you have pain or daily lives or under pressure or all that sort of thing, we can live with a lot of tension in our neck and shoulders. We can think maybe there's something wrong, so we hold ourselves in this position, or there's that belief that I need to sit up straight and hold myself here. But even without those things, we can just live and do lots of things in our lives but have tension in our neck and shoulders, where the muscles are working all the time. So think about it. If you held out your fist like this and tensed all the muscles here, I mean, you can do it for a while, but it wouldn't feel good pretty soon and it'd get sore and achy. That's just a more obvious example of what can be happening here. So one of the first things you have to do is to try and relax these muscles. To try and get used to that, something we do with the clients here is to get them to do a contract, relax combo. So breathe in, tense everything, and then breathe out. And try and get those muscles in your neck and shoulder to relax. Breathe in, tense everything from your neck to your hands. If you do that 6 to 10 times, you'll notice the difference between being tensed and being relaxed. And maybe after that, you're like, oh, actually, yeah, I probably could be a little bit more relaxed. If you notice that, don't ignore it. That's one of the most important things you can do. Take the tension out of those muscles. Tense muscles become tired and sore and painful and weak. And if that isn't addressed, to be honest with you, it's going to be difficult to get this better. So take the tension out of your muscles, and also then I want you to just move your body in a relaxed way. Just nice and free and loose. This looks simple or silly or whatever it is, but a lot of people with neck and shoulder pain actually don't know how to move loosely and freely. So take the tension out of the muscles, do some of that relaxation stuff, and just let your body move a little bit freer. That would be the important thing. If it's affecting you at your desk, get up from your desk every hour, do 2 or 3 minutes of something, go for a walk at lunchtime, let your arms swing. That's where the more movement part comes into it. The next category of exercise we're going to do involve a band. So having some sort of a band, and again, takes less than 2 or 3 minutes, but trying to move your hands all the way up from your shoulder, all the way up. So it's like a banded shoulder press. Band goes from your chest here all the way up. You can take a break in between if you want, and then you're going to go with just arm raises with some resistance. All the way up, taking a look at it from the front here. So you doing that, say you did 15 of each, and then you just do that loose, relaxed movement in between. Gets a lot of blood flowing around those muscles and can make it feel freer and better. If it feels a little achy in the first round, don't worry, take a little break, loosen it up for 2 minutes, go back into it again. You should notice actually the more I do, this feels better. Now, it's not going to be like that if you're afraid of your life and you're moving with tension. That brings us back to the first point. You have to be relaxed doing these exercises. So, 2 things covered so far. Relaxing the muscles there and loose movement. And then we're going into some banded exercises, which you can do frequently. And then it seems a bit counterintuitive for people who suffer with neck and shoulder pain, but we actually have to get these muscles working harder. So, first exercise we're going to look at here is a shrug. Let your hands fall to maybe where your pockets are. Get your shoulders all the way up. Keep it there for about 5 seconds and then relax. and let it hang. All the way up, all the way down. So pick a heavy enough weight, not something that you're really struggling with, but maybe do anything from 8 to 12 repetitions, and then take a break, let the arms swing. That can really free up the tension in around your neck and shoulders. And then the last exercise that you could add in would be a lateral raise exercise, all the way up to the top, slowly all the way down. You're nice and relaxed doing it. Stop when you feel you could still do maybe 2 or 3 more good repetitions. And again, that works the muscles there. If you do that, work the muscles, and then actually get them to relax and move, that's a good combination and a really good starting point. And it gives you some control back over your neck and shoulder pain. Rather than thinking I have to go and get it scanned, I have to go and get it fixed, I'm dependent on going to that person and getting a massage. If you can do that, you get some activity, your sleep improves, and you're ticking those boxes. That should make a big difference. If you have any questions on any of this, please feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you. If you like this content, please like and subscribe or share this video with someone who's suffering with neck and shoulder pain. Thanks.